Hello everyone, today I make bao in shell shape. This is America's favorite bao. It's stuffed with pork belly, melt in your mouth. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. Let's go into the kitchen with me. So this is the dough I took out from the fridge. I mixed yesterday. Let it rise and I put it in the fridge to retard because I use sourdough starter. Now I add water, but I have some half and half left over, so I mix the water in half and half and mix it in the dough. When you make the bao bun, very good idea to use milk because it makes the final products, that is our bao buns, make those bao bun white, and the white color is everyone loves. So you need to check my channel for the exact measurement, how I make this in the beginning from A to Z. This video I just want to show you how I make this and how I will concentrate on how to make the pork stew that go inside the bun. So at this point I keep mixing my dough in. The flour I use is on-purpose flour. They have special flour for this, but I couldn't buy this, so I use on-purpose flour. But it turned out it's not so bad. It's the color is that on are looking for is white, but the color I made is not bad. It's still white. So after mix the dough, I let it rest for 1 hour and let it double in size. And now I sprinkle the flour on the table and divided my dough. I will do 65 grams for each bun. I forgot to check Google to say 65 grams is how much. So, but you can go to Google, okay? You check question Google. 65 grams in ounce. It will show you how much. For those who use only American measurement. So when I do my bun like this, the dough that I don't use I put in the bag so that it don't dry out. And now I roll out each one, and the diameter I use is 5 because I don't want smaller. I want the size of substantial, so that when I stuff the stuffing, it will be 1 meal for one person. So now I use the not sharp edge of the knife and make an incision, and I use chopstick to squeeze them and make it like a shell. And I bundle on the foil paper to put inside so that my shell will open when I open it, because we want the shell open. Right now it's very flat if you don't have anything stuck inside. So you want them open later so that you can stuff the meat, the stuffing inside. So that's it. And while you doing this, you cover the one that you did. And now when you're done, it's ready to steam. Remember, the dough is sticky, so you need to have parchment paper or wax paper and to put underneath. And I have bamboo steamers. I like bamboo steamer because they do very good job in steaming. I do a lot of dumpling, hakao, bao, so it's very useful. You don't want them to stick to be close to each other. They can be stuck together. So my water is boiling and I drop my steamer and steam for 6 minutes. Remember, it's empty inside, so it's very fast to steam. Don't steam too long. When you do so, the color it will be darker than white. And voila! Look beautiful, right? Now let's do the taste test. Remember to remove the foil and the parchment paper inside. You can see now my bun can open easily. And let it. You can see I can peel up the skins, and the dough is very tender and soft. Very, very nice. That's what the texture like that. That's what you're looking for. Now let's make the stuffing. The stuffing recipe is in the description box below. So you can use only pork belly or pork belly and Boston butt or picnic pork picnic. So after I heat the oil too hot and I cook the garlic for frying, and then I add the 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I add the special sauce. You need to come back my channel to see what is special sauce. What special sauce is. And then I have a tablespoon of chasiu, sauce and meat. You need to see that too. Come back to see me. And then I add a bowl of stock, and then let it stew until very fork tender. Now I prepare other stuffing. I have baby spinach, I have green onion stalks, I have pickles, daikon and carrot, pickles, red onions, and chili if you want spicy. Now let's stuff them. The bao bun, you can store the bao bun in the freezer for 3 months. When you want to eat them, you just cover in paper towel and wet paper towel and steam them few minutes in microwave. That's easy, and it come back to life. Now I cut the meat to fit the inside of the bun. With this shell, the meat, the vegetables, so you will make a meal from it. I made those and gave it to my neighbors, and they loved them. He even told his friends about this fabulous meal, and the friend came back, texted back saying that I was a master chef, and he showed that to me. It's so flattered, but it's really, really good. No wonder the America loves this dish. I hope you will give it a try. You can see I spoon the sauce. That's what I stew my pork and have some sauce left. I had saved this for spring ladle into the bun. But remember, when you eat right away, you spoon the sauce in. Otherwise, you don't do that because the bun can soak up any liquid that you put in, and if you let it sit like that, it will be very wet. Look lovely, don't you think? I hope you can try my food, or at least try my recipe, and let me know how it goes. I thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips and tricks and everything. Thank you. Bye bye.